Hey guys, Justin Labato here inside of Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to showcase the Pinnacle Black Label Tire Clear Coat. This is in a category of its own because it's a tire clear coat. It's not a gel, it's not a dressing. It actually sets up to give you up to 4 to 6 months of tire shine and protection. And the best thing about it is when the application is done, there's no residue. You could put a white t-shirt on it and realize there's nothing there. However, the application, you have to be precise. You have to thoroughly clean the tire. We recommend the Pinnacle Black Label Tire Gel Cleaner. That will give you the optimum results you would need to get it surgically clean to apply this. Now this works really fast, so you have literally upwards of 60 seconds. So as soon as you get this on the applicator pad, you have to make your way around that tire with one coat, and that will give you that 4 to 6 months worth of shine and durability with the Pinnacle Black Label Tire Clear Coat. For more information, visit autogeek.com.